Anal sex is a topic that often sparks curiosity, interest, and sometimes controversy. Although traditionally considered taboo in many cultures, more people are openly discussing and exploring this aspect of their sexual lives. Like any other sexual activity, anal sex has the potential to be pleasurable and fulfilling when approached with knowledge, care, and mutual respect. This article explores the benefits of anal sex, highlighting the importance of consent, safety, and communication between partners. Before continue, please hit the subscribe button for upcoming videos. Thank you. Understanding anal sex. Anal sex involves the insertion of the penis, fingers, or sex toys into the anus. It's a practice that can be enjoyed by people of all genders and sexual orientations. For many, it offers a unique type of pleasure that differs from vaginal or oral sex due to the high concentration of nerve endings in and around the anus. Before diving into the benefits, it's crucial to acknowledge that anal sex should always be consensual. Communication between partners is key to ensuring a positive experience. This includes discussing boundaries, desires, and concerns openly. Additionally, preparation is essential for comfort and safety. This includes proper hygiene, such as cleaning the anal area before engaging in sex and using plenty of lubrication to minimize friction and reduce the risk of injury. Physical pleasure. One of the primary reasons people engage in anal sex is the physical pleasure it can provide. The anus is rich in nerve endings, which can make stimulation intensely pleasurable for both men and women. For men, anal sex can stimulate the prostate gland, often referred to as the male G-spot, leading to powerful orgasms. For women, anal sex can provide a different kind of sensation, particularly when combined with clitoral or vaginal stimulation. The key to experiencing pleasure during anal sex is relaxation and patience. The anal muscles are naturally tight and need time to adjust to penetration. Rushing the process can lead to discomfort or pain, which is why taking things slowly and communicating with your partner is essential. Starting with smaller objects, such as fingers or small toys, can help the body acclimate before moving on to larger penetration. Variety and exploration. Adding variety to a sexual relationship can keep things exciting and fulfilling. Anal sex offers a new avenue for exploration, providing couples with an opportunity to try something different from their usual routine. This variety can be especially beneficial in long-term relationships where maintaining sexual excitement is important. Exploring different forms of sexual activity, including anal sex, can deepen the connection between partners. It requires a level of trust and vulnerability that can bring couples closer together. When both partners are open to trying new things, it can lead to a more dynamic and satisfying sexual relationship. Prostate health for men. For men, anal sex can have specific health benefits related to the prostate gland. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder, and it plays a role in the production of seminal fluid. Stimulating the prostate through anal sex or other forms of penetration can result in intense orgasms, but it may also have health benefits. Some believe that regular prostate stimulation can help prevent certain prostate-related issues, such as prostatitis, inflammation of the prostate, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. It's thought that massaging the prostate can improve circulation in the area and potentially reduce the risk of prostate problems. However, it's important to note that while these benefits are suggested by some, more scientific research is needed to confirm them. Strengthening intimacy and trust. Engaging in anal sex requires a high degree of trust and communication between partners. This is because it's a more intimate and potentially challenging act compared to other forms of sex. The need for clear communication about boundaries, comfort levels, and desires can foster a deeper sense of trust and intimacy in a relationship. When both partners are fully comfortable and willing, anal sex can be a bonding experience that strengthens their emotional connection. It's an act that involves mutual respect, as both parties must be attuned to each other's needs and boundaries. This level of intimacy can enhance the overall quality of the relationship, both sexually and emotionally. Sexual empowerment and exploration of desires. For many, anal sex can be a way to explore and embrace their sexual desires. It can be empowering to engage in sexual activities that might have been previously off-limits due to societal taboos or personal inhibitions. Exploring anal sex can be part of a broader journey of sexual self-discovery and empowerment. This exploration is most rewarding when approached with an open mind and a focus on mutual pleasure. It's important to ensure that both partners feel comfortable and that the experience is consensual. Sexual empowerment comes from feeling in control of your sexual experiences and making informed decisions about what brings you pleasure. While there are many potential benefits to anal sex, it's important to be aware of the risks and take appropriate precautions. Safe sex practices are essential to prevent the transmission of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. The tissues in the anus are more delicate and susceptible to tearing than those in the vagina, making it easier for infections to be transmitted. Using condoms and plenty of lubrication can help reduce these risks. Lubrication is particularly important during anal sex because the anus does not produce natural lubrication like the vagina does. Using a high-quality lubricant can minimize friction, making the experience more comfortable and reducing the risk of injury. Water-based or silicone-based lubricants are generally recommended for anal sex. It's also important to approach anal sex with patience. The muscles around the anus are naturally tight and may require time to relax fully. Going slowly and listening to your body and your partners is key to ensuring a positive experience. If any pain or discomfort occurs, it's important to stop and adjust as needed. Debunking myths and misconceptions. Anal sex is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions that can create unnecessary fear or stigma. One common misconception is that anal sex is always painful. While it can be uncomfortable if not done properly, with the right preparation and communication, anal sex can be a pleasurable experience. Another myth is that anal sex is only for certain sexual orientations, such as for gay men. In reality, anal sex is a practice that can be enjoyed by people of all genders and sexual orientations. It's a personal choice that should be based on mutual desire and comfort, rather than societal stereotypes. By debunking these myths, we can encourage a more open and informed conversation about anal sex, helping to remove the stigma and promote a healthier approach to sexual exploration. Conclusion. Anal sex can offer a range of benefits, from physical pleasure to strengthening intimacy and trust between partners. When approached with knowledge, care, and mutual respect, it can be a fulfilling and enjoyable part of a sexual relationship. The key to a positive experience is open communication, consent, and taking the necessary precautions to ensure safety and comfort. By exploring this aspect of sexuality with an open mind, individuals and couples can discover new dimensions of pleasure and connection.